Right. So we're sitting in 208A, first class, first grade, BE. And I'm sitting here with Vihan.
ये ये वीक ऐसा अभी क्राउडेड जगह पे शुभम वाला ही सीन कर देंगे ना।
मैं तेरे से वो नहीं पूछ रहा, मैं तेरे से वुड यू रादर वाले क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा। ओए अंश, अंश इसे पकड़ के रख। क्या कर रहा है?
पकड़ के रखने बोला है।
स्लिप हो जाएगा नीचे से, क्या कर रहा है? हाँ ये नहीं, ऊपर वाला लेगो लेगो हाथ है तेरे। भाई हम डम्फाउंडेड भाई इसके।
इस बंदे का आईक्यू नेगेटिव में जाएगा।
ऐसे पकड़ ले भाई को हवा में नीचे रख ले, बट लाइक स्लिप नहीं होना चाहिए। देखा वो कट गया ना, तो थोड़ा ऐसे सो विहान, तू कौन सा गेम खेल रहा है?
मार्वल कंट
ऑलराइट।
बेस्ट ऑफ चैंपियंस।
अच्छा, एक सेकंड के लिए आई मीन कुछ मिनट्स के लिए उसको नीचे रखेगा। आई तो तूने खुद ही क्वेश्चंस भेजे थे वुड यू रादर वाले, राइट? सो वुड यू रादर का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होगा, would you rather be called gay by society but date Ryan Reynolds, or would you rather be called straight and date Lizzo? चल चल अब
रायन रेनॉल्ड्स।
would you like to elaborate?
ब्यूटीफुल स्पेसिमेन ऑफ मेल।
Fair enough. Lizzo से तो बहुत opposite है. Would you rather have cake while sitting on a dick, or would you rather have dick while sitting on a cake?
केक while sitting on a dick.
Would you like to elaborate why you chose that?
Practice for pegging session with goth mommy plus cake delicious.
Okay, fair enough. So, would you rather have a gay son or a thought daughter?
Thought daughter.
Would you like to elaborate?
Try it out myself.
Okay, I would like to go down that rabbit hole. Would you rather drive 180 through the desert or 60 on the highway?
Back shots.
दो ऑप्शन में से एक चूज करना।
180 through the desert while getting back shots.
Present, sir. Okay. Would you rather go to jail for being a pedophile, or would you rather go to jail for being a murderer?
Murderer. Already going.
Okay, no comments on that. Would you rather have no legs, or would you rather have no arms?
Legs.
Any reason?
Can't jerk off.
Fair enough. Would you rather fuck Hulk Hogan with a pussy, or would you rather fuck Megan Fox with a dick?
Megan with a dick.
Begging?
Surely.
Thought so. Would you rather send an NSFW pic to your boss or to your mom?
Have my mom as my boss.
Would you rather randomly find a lamp containing a wish granting genie, or randomly find the Infinity Gauntlet?
Genie. And ask the genie.
The Gauntlet?
Probably not.
एक लिमिट हो गई.
No, like first wish definitely foot job at Denny's with maple syrup.
I like that. Would you rather have your dad be Jeffrey Dahmer, or would you rather have your mom be Lana Rhodes?
Dad be Jeffrey Dahmer, racist dad on top.
Nice choice. Would you rather be kidnapped by Ted Bundy or groomed by Karan Johar?
Ted Bundy.
Any elaboration?
Shakka ya Karan Johar.
Fair enough. So, thank you, Vian, for the creative session of Would You Rather with us. And with this, our B class ends as well.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.